It's not the jaguar, not the anaconda, not even the piranha. The most dangerous creature discovered in the Amazon. Can't be seen at all. It doesn't roar. It doesn't strike. But it can rewrite the code of life itself. What exactly did scientists find hidden beneath the rainforest floor? Could it hold the power to save us or destroy us? Beneath the endless green canopy, something ancient is alive. It doesn't hunt with teeth or claws. It doesn't stalk from the shadows. Yet it decides who lives and who dies. It can alter the building blocks of life itself. And it was discovered right here, in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon, often called the lungs of the earth, stretches across 9 countries and covers more than 2 million square miles. From above, it looks endless. But on the ground, it's a maze of rivers, swamps, and towering trees. Home to more than 10% of all species on the planet. It regulates the climate, recycles the atmosphere, and hides ancient secrets in its soil. Every fallen leaf fuels a hidden cycle of decay and renewal. A biological engine running for over 50 million years. For centuries, explorers searched these jungles for monsters. Giant snakes, killer fish, and tribes lost to time. But today's explorers turned their eyes downward, into the dirt itself. Because in every handful of Amazonian soil lives an invisible universe, billions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses locked in microscopic warfare. They decide which trees grow, which animals thrive, and sometimes, which diseases emerge. In 2018, a team of microbiologists from Peru and Brazil set out to map this hidden world. They expected diversity. What they found was beyond imagination. The expedition began in the Yasuni Basin, one of the most biologically rich places on Earth. Here, it rains almost every day. The air feels alive, heavy, humid, humming with unseen life. The scientists carried sterilized containers, GPS trackers, and coolers packed with dry ice. They weren't searching for animals or plants. They were hunting molecules, invisible weapons forged by evolution itself. They collected soil from riverbanks, tangled roots, and decaying logs, anywhere life and death overlapped. Back at their field lab near Iquitos, they began to culture the samples. Tiny colonies bloomed on nutrient plates, white, orange, green, each representing a different species of bacteria. For days, the results looked ordinary. Then one plate behaved differently. Around a small gray spot, every other colony began to die, as if poisoned by something unseen. Within 48 hours, that gray colony had consumed the entire dish. Even antibiotic-resistant test strains wiped out. The team isolated it, tested again and again. Every time, the same result. They had found something completely new. A bacterium that not only killed rivals, but was immune to every known antibiotic. Its DNA revealed something stranger, a rare ability known as horizontal gene transfer. The power to share its resistance genes with others. In other words, it could teach other bacteria how to survive. The jungle had produced its own invisible apex predator. Later, it was classified as a new species, Pseudomonas amazoniensis. Under the microscope, it looked ordinary. Small, rod-shaped cells gliding through moisture. But genetically, extraordinary. This microbe carried clusters of genes that produced toxic secondary metabolites, chemical weapons designed to destroy competitors. Some compounds were new to science. When tested, several proved hundreds of times stronger than standard antibiotics, deadly even to hospital superbugs like Staphylococcus aureus and Klebsiella pneumonia. Others were so potent they destroyed nearly every cell they touched, even human ones. It was both healer and killer, depending on how its chemistry was used. It thrived in low oxygen soil, rich in metals from rotting vegetation. Where most microbes would die, P. amazoniensis fed on metals, turning stress into survival. Evolution refined by pressure. The ultimate survivor of the microbial world. The discovery sent ripples through science. If this bacterium's resistance genes escaped the rainforest, they could create infections unstoppable by modern medicine. But the same deadly compounds could become blueprints for new antibiotics, the kind humanity desperately needs. The Amazon had given us both a warning and a gift. The researchers published their findings, and the scientific world erupted. Within months, pharmaceutical companies and universities sent teams rushing to the Amazons, searching for more microbial treasures. But not everyone saw opportunity. Environmentalists saw danger. They asked a haunting question. If the rainforest hides the cures to tomorrow's diseases, what happens when we destroy it? Every year, over 1.5 million hectares of rainforest vanish, burned or cleared for farms, mines, and logging. Each loss isn't just trees. It's thousands of undiscovered microbes erased forever, each carrying chemistry we've never seen. Some scientists estimate every hectare destroyed wipes out thousands of unique microbial strains. And ironically, the same destruction that erases them might help spread their deadliest traits. Runoff from logging and mining camps can carry antibiotic-resistant genes into rivers where they mix with bacteria infecting humans. Nature's invisible predator could find new territory. For local communities, the discovery became both pride and warning. They've always known the forest gives and punishes. Now science confirms what ancestors believed: the Amazon is alive, powerful, and it demands respect. Since discovery, Pseudomonas amazoniensis has become a research focus worldwide. Labs in Brazil, Peru, and Europe study its chemistry to create new antibiotics and potential anti-cancer drugs. Some molecules can cut off oxygen inside tumors, the same tactic it uses underground. Early results show promise, but the warning remains. By 2050, antibiotic-resistant infections could kill up to 10 million people a year. That means the Amazon's microbial world might hold the key to our survival. Beyond medicine, this discovery forces us to rethink danger itself. We fear predators because we see them, but the most powerful forces in nature often move in silence. A single mutation in a single cell can ripple outward, reshaping ecosystems, collapsing populations, or saving lives. The creature that could end humanity might also be the one that saves it. The Amazon still hides countless mysteries: rivers that boil, caves that breathe, and creatures that glow in eternal darkness. But sometimes the greatest discovery isn't a monster in the shadows. It's a single invisible cell beneath your feet, carrying secrets older than humanity itself. If this story changed how you see the world, somewhere beneath the ice, something ancient is still alive. And it shouldn't be. What mystery should we uncover next? Subscribe and stay curious.